So I have here a TC-Neo new in the box, and this is a timecode device, and we're gonna unbox this. And we can see it's a quite nice packaging with a lot of information on here. And I also have here a camera on top. And we're gonna, let's see, remove the plastic wrap around it first, and then see how we can actually open this up. So let's see. So why actually getting the TC-Neo over like other kind of like timecode devices? So you have like Tentacle Sync, you have like from Deity, you have timecode devices. But why the TC-Neo for me is an interesting one is because of this case that you actually get with it. And let's see, is this straightforward? Okay, so that's how it opens. So it opens like this. Okay, so let's open it. And oh, it's actually quite interesting. I didn't know that would be different colored. So we can see it has like different colors. And press the button here. So that actually makes it a little bit easier to know which device is which one. And okay, so basically it comes with like a outer case that has like a color. And let's see what's under here. So we have like hot shoe adapters. So this enables to put onto a camera. And what are these? Okay, so these are probably gonna work with these. Or is something different? Okay, they're kind of like a similar thing, but this one is using a thumb to tighten it onto a hot shoe, and this is more hard mounted with a screw on top. It's quite interesting. So you get 3 different ones, 3 other ones, and then go here. Okay. Put this in here. Get a nice pouch. Okay. So we get an USB-A to C adapter. Probably this is for upgrading software. Here a cable. This is 3.5 to 3.5. These. We have a Velcro or hook and loop stickers. So you can stick this onto your camera if you want it to have like a hook and loop. Let's see which cable is this. I think we would probably get like 3 of the same cables, right? Oh no, we have a 3.5 to BNC, so this is for the camera, and then you could use this, of course, the one with the 3.5 for the recorder, and this one for, of course, using with like a professional cinema camera that has like a BNC timecode, and we have a USB Type-C to Type-C, and which one is this? We have a 5-point limo to 3.5. This is for a specific cinema camera, probably the 5-pin limo, and yeah, that's the cables that you get. So I feel like the 5-pin, I think it's the one that's same as for the ARRI, but I don't remember. It shoots probably for the ARRI camera that the 5-pin is for that. And yeah, Blackmagic and your Sony's should be the BNC. And this, yeah, 3.5 is for the, yeah, your audio recorder. So that was what is inside of the package. And this, so this case, I can feel the weight, and we can also see the light here, the LED light. So it means like, yeah, you can recharge it with this case even yeah, if you're traveling, so you don't have to connect this purposely onto like a power bank. So you can actually yeah, if you're filming on location or you're just filming on a location far away from a lot of things, that you don't have to connect this to a something to recharge. You can have this case already charged for multiple days, or already charged and then recharge the timecode, the TC-Neos for like multiple days. And yeah, see, so you need to, on the back there is like a hooker loop, and there is this small plastic that you need to remove so they can recharge. And yeah, and you feel they do look quite nice. Okay. And you can see it's recharging. And I do suggest, if you're doing like timecode for your audio, to get actually the set, because you want to basically have like multiple for syncing like multiple things. So for example, we have like one of it connected to your recorder, the other one actually connected to one camera. And if you have like a secondary camera, you can also put it onto like the B cam, and you definitely want to have 3 of them instead of like buying just a single one. Because I have tried to use like a single timecode device before, and the main thing that is a little bit annoying is that your recorder, you need to like sync it with your recorder first, and then like grab the timecode box and mount it onto the camera. And the main thing is you need to keep your recorder on the whole day, so it will keep the sync and not like unsync itself if you turn it off and on again. And why this case is actually really important, especially if you're doing sound. Honestly, if you're doing sound, you already have so many batteries that you are gonna recharge, and you might just forget about recharging things or like plugging in things correctly, especially if you have like multiple timecode devices. You need to have like multiple USB-Cs to recharge them, and having this case, and that the case itself has like built-in battery, just makes the job much easier. And instead of having to basically look at each of them to be connected to a cable, I can just put all of them into this recharge case. And also the great thing is, like, the only thing I have to really worry about is actually the battery on this case itself. And then, like, yeah, make sure that this case is always recharged, and then every time I pack up and put the time codes or the TC-Neos back in this case, they will be starting to recharge, and they be definitely full when I have the next day of the shoot. So this is definitely makes the job much easier when you have to recharge things. There's less things you have to worry about to recharge at the end of the day. So that was it unboxing the TC-Neo. I'm gonna do like separate videos on how to sync it with like different devices like the Zoom F6, like my Blackmagic cameras and like Sony cameras, and just see how easy it actually is. And yeah, stay tuned for those. So make sure that you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.